Inside this Naija where we dey now, in fact, every day we must gear one bandit attack. If it no happen, it means say no be inside Nigeria now we dey. Anyway, I hear say they don't kill 11 bandits and they don't arrest some NSCDC officials. This will be Nigerian security and civil defense. So I hear say these people they collaborate with all these bandits. They follow them, attack and destroy people inside Kogi. Now God come make them, these people now reach their meter and as it be, they don't arrest some of them. But people beg, make now follow me watch.
Want to tell me the remaining people, this ACG, Hunter Group of Nigeria talking to you. And you are civil defense or position 1 star. I want to tell you, do you involve in kidnapping issue? Yes or no?
Yes.
I will lie against you. I be it's truth.
It's true.
Where is the weapon? The gun that I used to give them to operate, where is the gun?
It's at home.
It's at how many guns that I used to give them? 2 guns. What type of gun? What type of gun?
AK.
How many AK? 2 AK. Where do you get the AK from? Where do you get the AK from? Talk. I'm here. Because anything that I do today, I have to send it to our CG. This Hunter Group of
All these bandit and things where they happen, definitely somebody where they the top now they sponsor all these people. Because on they see the kind of guns where these people they use. Gun where be say even normal police and army they never see use. Now these people can't they use. Now they are come the reason and say, if not be saying a person they sponsor, I beg, I don't see how they won't come correlate and say, now bandits now get all this gun. So are they very thankful say they catch this one. But now when they say Nigerians say we just get the mentality of killing some people. Because this bandits where they catch now, don't be saying no get work. Now NSCDC official, I beg what again you can't define. If not be say you just get the mindset and willingness to just they keep people. Or now go just they say na terrorism now won't carry. To just they keep people and this one inside Kogi state too. They go just wake up, go they shoot people, they I beg. On top of waiting, because me I never still understand waiting be on a game for this kind of thing. Because sometimes no be say on a demand for money. So I don't quite even know waiting be on a motive say on a one collect the line that been a waiting. At least making a come outside, talk am in clear English. People understand. We say, okay, we dey fight because of this cause. We dey fight because of this one. Because this one that they doing for me, it don't even make sense. But this one don't happen. Me, I go involve. Say, make police investigate all these big forces. Because I don't catch this one. Are they very certain? Say some army officials, some police officials say they part. They part of people where they give out all these ammunition to all these people. So if they do the investigation well, they go catch all these people. They go even hold them because now they go see and say even some of our politicians. What will they see now that they cry and say, hey, Bandit do this or Bandit do now go surprise say now then go they make do all this kind of thing. But anyway, may God save us for this kind of Nigeria where we do. My people, I go end them for here. Making us stay tuned for our next story. One Nigerian man don't come outside they cry say person don't thief in food trail. This man now talk say he don't dey inside UK since they hustle in normal hustle and say na food work now they do jejely. And say as in there so many people don't even commit and say he do this one, he do that, but still he know they mind. Only from now to come they do in business, person now come decide say he want kill that in hustle and the next way the person go do now to go thief in food tray. Now what make this guy now come outside they cry say whoever carry this thing make you carry and come back home. My people beg make now follow me watch.
I'm just an ordinary African guy trying to hustle in UK. I've been here many years. I've gone through a lot of things. I've suffered many things. I've suffered abuse. I've suffered many things. I've suffered detention. I've suffered wrong accusation. I've suffered many things. Bring my trailer back for me. Give me my trailer. I don't have paper, I'm struggling, I'm helping people, I'm feeding people. Some people are walking with this trailer with me that they are eating. Give me my trailer, give me back my trailer, give me my trailer. Bring back my trailer wherever you are, bring my trailer.
But I beg, whoever carry this guy, I beg, pity the person saying don't the hustle. This guy when face even resemble criminal, me I even reason I say maybe he don't go do thief. But he don't do thief work, he still legitimately say he won't do legit business. So I beg. I don't know be na to beg this person where I go traditionally or be spiritually. Now the only way be say this man go fit bring back this your food tray for you. Because this one now, police no go send. If you just go police this thing, you don't deport, enter Nigeria back. So the best me I go just go buy new one, leave the matter, make it just go. And come out from that place where you did. That place, they no like you, they be your enemy of progress. Now food that place. Just carry yourself, locate yourself, relocate yourself, come out from that location. Anyway, my people, now here I go end up for today. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Wahala don dey shele inside Spain. Oh, I hear say volcano don take over the whole of La Palma Island. This place wey be say na island where people dey go chillax, enjoy themselves. Before we go see, this place don start to dey boil. In fact, hellfire don dey inside earth for inside Spain. Oh, my people beg, make na follow me see.
There is nothing that can survive the moving wall of molten rock relentlessly creeping across this landscape. Reservoirs, holiday homes, roads are all being consumed. This is high-speed geology and it's reshaping this neighbourhood. Where just a few days ago holidaymakers relaxed, now nature is scouring it back to a barren volcanic desert. Boiling away man's attempts to cultivate and civilise this hillside with superheated rocks 1,000 degrees Celsius creating a cauldron which will soon be buried forever. Animals are now being moved after the evacuation of more than 5,000 people. Firefighters are doing what they can to help salvage a few valued possessions. But this is a smash and grab operation before the lava eviscerates everything in its path.
Now, wow, but God, I need to ask. I bet you we offend you in one kind way, I be something else they happen. Because the way people they collect their punishment for this earth, in fact, it they make me the fear. Because I don't even know crime when we commit. And I hear say inside this La Palma, been a La Palma. Say in fact, na since on Sunday, 19 just they attack them. Say on Sunday, na earthquake, 9 they receive. That one even destroy where it won't destroy. Only for today again, all of a sudden, another one don't they happen. This one a volcano. Fire don't start to they attack the whole place. Everywhere don't begin they catch fire. I beg what thing they happen and natural disasters. Now be all this one. I be waiting they even really stop. Because they say suddenly everywhere begin hot. And say as it be, so many people don't lose their homes. In fact, 150 people now don't even get where to stay again. Everybody don't come out. Because say waiting, this thing don't they spread, they enter inside the town. But anyway, I thank God say before this thing escalates, they enter the street, everybody don't pack their load, they evacuate the place. Their government don't find what they go do to move these people come out from there. But sure like they think what on a sure say nobody think where Bible talk say the world go come to an end. On a sure say nobody think they happen with this. Because as Oyinbo people they receive their own. Now so inside Nigeria, Africa, we say they receive our own. Rain don't they destroy some places. This Oyinbo own them, they are not sun, they are not heat, and even nothing they help them destroy their own. So now what make me the reason say if like say now we suppose go church, go they ask for forgiveness. Because the way things they happen now, I know they understand. But you when they inside Spain, I beg take caution. Now what make me come as and they talk them. So that before the thing goes spread reach your side, maybe you go down jackpot, abi you go down run come from there. Because we don't know as this one they work. But anyway, the Oyinbo people them they don't carry everything personal. I hear say they don't already even build shelter for these people. So at least their own they go still they say, but I beg if you there, open your eye, koro, they watch because I hear say this thing they spread seriously. Medicine no Congo meet you for where you do. Anyway, my viewers, I go end and here for today. Make us stay tuned for our next story.